Hey everyone, welcome back to Execlog Solutions YouTube channel. Today we are diving into an essential topic for anyone working with SQL. It is SQL data type. Understanding SQL data types is crucial for designing efficient databases and ensuring data integrity. So let's get started. What are SQL data types? First, learn about SQL database. Data types in SQL define the kind of data that can be stored in a column. They ensure that the data is stored in the most appropriate format, optimizing storage and performance. Let's break down the most common SQL data type. Numeric data type. They are used to store numeric values, including integers and decimals. Int, which stores whole numbers. For example, int it will take about can store integers. Float stores floating point numbers, which are numbers with decimal points. The decimals stores fixed point numbers where you define the precision and scale. String data types. We have string data types used for storing text. Varchar stores variable length strings. Char stores fixed length strings. Text used for large amount of text like descriptions or articles. Date and time data types. For storing date and time information, SQL provides several date types. Date store data values in the format of year, month, and day. Time stores time values in the format of hours and minutes. Date stores both date and time values in the format. It's like year, month, day, hours, and minutes. Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used for storing true or false values. In many SQL databases, it is represented as true or false. In some systems, it might be stored as 1 or 0. Choosing the right data type is crucial for optimizing your databases. It affects storage requirements, data integrity, and query performance. Always consider the type of data you need to store and choose the most appropriate data type. In summary, understanding SQL data types is fundamental for database design and management. Whether you are dealing with numbers, text, dates, or special data, choosing the right data type ensures efficient and accurate data storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and insights. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.